Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this simple but so cute border. You remembered I shared this pattern of this shawl. You can find it here. Here is the link. I use in this shawl yarn art flowers and using 3.5 millimeter hook. One ball is enough border and the total shawl. You can see the photos. It's original triangle shawl size, and I hope you like it and you will try it. This is so simple border, only making here like popcorns. If my video comes so speedy, please click three dots on the right of the screen and slow me down. If you're ready, we can start to make our border. Let's start to crochet. We prepared our shawl. You know it from the previous videos. I put the link here. You can find the pattern of this shawl. It's only 2 rows repeating. This is beautiful shawl and so easy. You can do that easily. I use here yarn art flowers, gorgeous yarn. This color translation is beautiful. You can use different colors, and I want to make here a border on this shawl. Hope you like it. So simple border, we will make it only using puff and chains. I hope you like it. Left here a little yarn. Hope it will be enough for this border. I use this yarn 3.5 millimeter hook. Border use again the same type of same number of hook, 3.5 millimeter. I'm on the corner. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chains I made. Lose my loop, yarn over, insert the 7th one, grab my yarn 1, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn 2, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn 3. Hold this yarn, take this yarn into that puff, then insert my hook this little hole, grab my yarn and make here single crochet. Chain 1 and lock. Lose that again, yarn over. You can see here little hole, insert here 1, yarn over, 2, yarn over, 3. Hold this yarn again, grab my yarn, then insert that hook in that stitch, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. Then fold these 2 puffs together, insert that 7th chain and join with a slip stitch. Make here a big puff. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I will insert that here, the next flower's starting point. Here I insert and join with a single crochet. Then 1 2 3 4 5 and come to center. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again make my puffs. Lose it. Insert the last stitch. 1 2 3. Hold it. Insert that hole. Chain 1. Lose it. Insert that space. 1 2 3. Hold this yarn, insert into them, insert that hole and make single crochet and fold them. Then I insert that 7th stitch again, join with a slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I insert my hook this center and join with a single crochet. One, two, three, four, 5. Come to next center, join with a single crochet. Then again 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and make your puff. Lose it, yarn over, insert that. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, then lose it again, insert that hole, 1, 2, 3, hold it, insert into that, insert that little space, join with a single crochet, then fold them, insert into the same 7th stitch, join with a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then come to next space and join with a single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to next center, join with a single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make your puffs here. Do it like that. Between of 2 centers we made these puffs with 7 stitch. Between of them make 5 chains. I will complete it and come to this triangles center corner. I will turn to you. I come to corner with chain 5 again. Now here we will make 2 popcorns, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make my puff. 1, 2, 3. Insert that hole, chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Here insert that stitch and join with slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert that same corner again and make slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and make one more puff here. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1. Insert that stitch, join with a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Made here 7 stitch, insert into the same corner and make slip stitch. I made here 2 popcorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to next sides, center, and keep crocheting as same as. I complete and turn to you. I finish my border. Here you can see I turn all 2 sides of this triangle. This is so cute, I think. I like it very much. I hope you like it and you will try that. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. I want to write its pattern as soon as possible. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.